Hey, Abraham. You need to check your originality report. You still have some plagiarism, and you can see it yourself. So you click this tile where it says 9%, and you look to see what's flagged. And anything that's in quotation marks like this, no problem. But anything that's not in quotation marks like this, you have to reword it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 words in a row, same as the original. And the strictest definition of plagiarism is 3 words in a row, same as the original. So you need to restructure that sentence. That's how you paraphrase and avoid plagiarizing, is you restructure the sentence. So instead of starting with, and you also have to find synonyms, instead of starting with droughts and wildfires, start your sentence with ecosystem structure or the synonym for it. So you need to flip the sentence. That's how you don't plagiarize. This here is also a problem. You need to restructure these sentences to avoid this kind of problem. And you can go over here if you want to see what the match is. It's your source. So you need to fix all of that. And let me know if I can help.